Hi, this is Tegan, this is Stephanie, and I'm Jin. We're Mannequinn. Our app's focused on rental fashion and sustainability. Hope you enjoy our demo.
So one of the problems that I've got this year is that because of COVID, all of the weddings that were meant to happen in the last 2 years haven't happened, and they're happening in the next year. So this year I've got 7 weddings coming up, and that means 7 whole new outfits. And recently I've been really starting to think about the effects of fast fashion on the environment. And actually fast fashion accounts for 10% of global carbon emissions total. So it's really something I'm trying to reduce my carbon footprint. As much as I'm trying to reduce my carbon footprint, I'm not trying to reduce my bank balance. And I really don't want to spend the money on 7 brand new outfits. So what am I going to do to solve this? Well, this is where Mannequinn comes in.
Thanks, Tegan. So Mannequinn is a user-to-user clothing rental platform which has sustainability at its heart. We noticed that quite a few clothing rental platforms actually focus on more like high-price items, and they're usually from retail to user versus Mannequinn being like a user-to-user community. And we're aware that the pandemic has hit quite a few people hard financially, so we've made sure that every item on our platform is, fits within several different budgets, and we think that this is what makes us unique. So we're going to show you how the app works.
So I've actually used the app before, so I'm already signed in. I'm just going to have a look through the homepage. I can see they've got their pledge there. I might read a bit more about that later, and their community, and I'm actually already signed up to their newsletter, so I get all the latest about them. But for now, I want to look for an outfit for one of my many weddings that I have coming up this year. Not my weddings, attending other people's weddings, not 7 weddings, not getting married 7 times. So having a look through, these maybe aren't all appropriate for weddings, so I think maybe I need to filter my results. I'm thinking a jumpsuit, size 12. Let's have a look. Okay, so I can see this one is actually currently rented out. I'm going to take a look at the blue and black, because I think just all black might be not the right vibe. Okay, so I can see a bit about it, size 12, but it doesn't say masses, so I'm just maybe going to add it to my favorites. And I'm going to send the seller a message actually, because I just want to know if it's actually true to size. Because I'm renting something, I don't really have the ability to send it back. I'm going to get it the day before. I want to actually know if it's going to fit me. So yeah, I'm just going to send a quick message, and hopefully they respond quickly. Oh, nice, really fast. So hey, not really, it's a bit on the smaller size. It'd be better for someone who's size 10. Cool, that's not me. I'm going to give it a miss, okay? So maybe actually I should steer clear of the jumpsuits. It might be a little bit too tricky for rental. So I'm maybe going to stick with the dress. Let's go dress size 12. It's just going to be a bit easier. I'm liking the look of the one on the end here, so I'm just going to take a closer look. Cool. Yeah, nice. Give a little bit more information. Cool. I'm not going to add it to my favorites. I'm just going to dive straight in and book that. And I've got a wedding at the end of the month on the 24th, so I'm going to start on the 24th and I'm going to return it on the Monday the 27th. Sweet. So I'm just going to request that booking. That has to get approved by someone else, so I can see it here, it's in my pending bookings. I can see here that it's pending, so I just have to wait for whoever owns that to accept it, and then I can go ahead and pay. The one I actually booked earlier, I'm going to go ahead and pay for that now. So, yep, it's my email. No one take pictures of my super secret card information here. Enter my information. This is really handy, super cool, super boring. Still dumb. Right, so I'm going to head through and pay that. Nice. Payment's gone through, and now I can see in my pending bookings that it's all paid up. And this green dress I actually rented before, I've worn it, I've returned it, everything was great. I'm going to go ahead and leave a review just so other people know how great it was. So yeah, this dress was great, she was friendly, and I'm going to give them 5 stars. Cool. So all I've got to do now is just wait for that next booking to be accepted. I'll have to do this another 4 times for my other weddings, but yeah, I'm going to go make a cup of tea.
I rent my stuff on there all the time because I care about the planet, but also like I like to make a quick buck on the side as well. So I just had an email to say that one of my items has been requested. So I'm going to go ahead and look on my profile. There it is, and it was requested by Tegan. It was requested by Tegan. She's rented a couple of my stuff before. She's really nice. She doesn't return the clothes with like a weird smell or anything, so I'm going to let her have this one. So I'm going to accept this booking. Okay, cool. So whilst I wait for Tegan to pay, I'm just going to go ahead and add a new product. Right, so it's a really cool t-shirt that I actually got this morning. I think everyone's really going to love it. It's a cool t-shirt. It's in the topless category. And it's just really cool, really t-shirt, really unique. Yep, it's a lovely description. It's very low wagon as well. It's a size 10. I'm going to put it on for like £1.50. Just going to add some really great pictures. They're really good quality, guys. Did not take them this morning. I'm just going to go ahead and add the item. I think it's a really unique t-shirt. I'm pretty much the only person in the world with one. The man in the back does not come with the t-shirt. Bruno is a person, you cannot rent him. But yeah, I'm just gonna go. I really love this website. They have this amazing community section where I can check out all the latest in sustainability. 10 simple steps to being more sustainable. I think I'll have a read of that later, but for now, Tegan and I are going to a hen night. I mean, you guys can come if you want, but I don't think you're invited. But have a lovely day.